Since Sinhala New Year is close at hand now, I thought it is better to make some Avurudu recipes. Some of these Avurudu recipes may not come correctly in our first try. So if we practice them early, we'll be able to make perfect recipes for Avurudu. I made some Avurudu recipes in the last year like Kavun cookies. So you can watch those videos in my Avurudu Kama playlist. We all make milk rice for Avurudu. Then let's start our this year Avurudu recipe list with milk rice. For milk rice we need 400 grams of white raw rice, 2.5 or 3 cups of thick coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of salt and 3 to 4 cups of water. First of all, wash rice very well and put them into your cooking pan. Then add water to the level that all rice is covered and cook this like we normally cook rice. Meanwhile, we can mix salt with coconut milk. When rice is cooked enough, add coconut milk into this. After adding coconut milk, stir this thoroughly and cook this under medium heat. We need to stir this constantly until we get this milk rice out of fire. When rice absorbed all coconut milk and starts sticking together, switch off the flame. Then transfer milk rice onto a wooden board or a tray and level the surface. Now let this cool down a bit and cut into desired shapes. This recipe is very simple. When you follow these steps, you will be able to cook a delicious milk rice without any mistakes. Then in the next day, we'll make potato toffees for Avurudu. To get those videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.